Galaxy S21 FE is coming on 4th of January. Now we have already seen the manuals, the spec sheets and even hands-on photos. And now we have another video, a hands-on video, as well as a full unboxing video of the whole Galaxy S21 FE. I know it seems crazy, but it is what it is. This is probably the most leaked Samsung device ever. Now, according to 91 Mobiles and Ishan Agarwal, the S21 FE 5G is expected to launch at £699 as base price, which means the phone will have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage option. But at £749, the phone will offer 8GB of RAM and 256GB of local storage. Now, going by the past, the S21 FE base model in the US will come at around $699, and at $769 or $749 maybe, it will offer the high storage variant and the RAM. The phone will also be available in 4 colors at launch: black, white, green and violet. We have seen it. The Galaxy S21 FE has a flat 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate support. Now there is also a centered punch hole cutout for the 32MP selfie camera. Now there is also a fingerprint scanner underneath the screen, which is typical for most of the modern Samsungs nowadays. Now the particular S21 FE has Snapdragon 888 inside, and this chip is the reason why it got delayed so many times. I mean, I'm talking about the chip shortage mainly. One of the biggest reasons to get this phone is that the phone has Android 12 on the software side of things right out of the box. That means a lot of future Android updates you're gonna get. As for the cameras, there is a triple rear-facing camera arrangement, including 3 12MP sensors. Although we've heard in the past from trusted sources that the phone will have a 12MP, 8MP and 12MP setup, so this triple 12MP system in this video could be a regional thing, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, there's going to be sufficient 4500 mAh battery capable of 25W fast charging and wireless charging support, definitely. But here's the thing, this video also confirms one other thing, or quite a few things. There is no 3.5mm jack, no SD card slot in this phone, this 177g phone, and there is no charger in the box as well. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.